Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to sort your photos by recently added on your iPhone and iPad. In iOS 18, Apple has redesigned the Photos app. Unfortunately, many have found the revamped design of the stock Photos app rather confusing. If you have also found it chaotic, there is a way you can fix it by sorting the photos by recently added instead of date captured. This neat adjustment will play a vital role in keeping the confusion and chaos at a fair distance from the Photos app. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So to get started, you have to launch the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll up in your camera roll slightly to reveal the bidirectional arrow icon in the bottom left corner, which is the sorting button that automatically hides or sorts itself depending on where you are in the Photos app. And then you have to tap on the visual bidirectional arrow button and choose Sort by Recently Added option to change the sorting of the photos and videos so that anything recently saved, airdropped, or added will now appear at the bottom of the Photos app camera roll as expected. It's worth pointing out that you can change this back to the new default setting by going back to the bidirectional arrow and choosing Sort by Date Captured option if you ever wish, or if you prefer the new default photo sorting setting. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily sort photos by recently added on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it to keep the clutter away from your Photos app. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.